Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of Cart Notices for WooCommerce, setting up and configuring cart notices. In this video, I will show you how to set up and configure WooCommerce cart notices. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Cart Notices. Here you will see a list of all of your current notices. You can view, edit, enable, disable, or delete any notice. Just click on the notice name or the edit button to edit it. To create a new cart notice, click on the Add Cart Notice button. Let's create one step by step. Choose the type of notice, like minimum amount, order detail, refer, products in cart, or categories in cart. Give your notice a name, such as smartphones. Click on this checkbox to enable or disable the notice. In Notice Message, add your notice message. Now in Call to Action, add button text like Shop Smartphones. In Call to Action URL, add a link like your shop page URL. In Show Categories, search for the category Smartphones. Assigning the name helps you easily identify the notice later. Use the Enable checkbox to turn the notice on or off. Once you have filled the details, click on Create Cart Notice. A notification will appear confirming cart notice created. Now let's go to our cart page to see the notice in action. Add a smartphone to the cart and proceed to checkout. Your cart notice is successfully added on the checkout page. Now customers can click on the Shop Smartphones button and buy the smartphones. That's it. In this video, you have learned how to set up and configure WooCommerce cart notices. Try creating your own notices to boost sales and engage customers. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.